Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix the application can no longer be used. The following application data is corrupted on PS4. So, basically this error appears when the PS4's internal hard drive is having problems or is severely damaged. First, try rebuilding the database. To do that, press the power button present on the front panel of the PS4 to turn it off. The indicator will blink a few times. After turning off your PS4, press and hold the power button and keep holding it until you hear two beeps. The first beep will usually be heard when you press it initially and the second beep when you keep pressing it, for around 7 seconds. Now connect the PS4 controller with a USB cable and press the PlayStation button present on the controller. The PlayStation will now be in the safe mode. Select the option Rebuild Database. At that time, it will warn you that it may take hours. Most of the time, this method will help you to fix this error. In case you are using a game disk and the problem still appears, then try cleaning it. Just use a little alcohol with a piece of fabric and clean it gently and softly until you see it has become clean enough. If you notice some major scratches on the lower surface of the disk, then it's a strong indication that the disk is damaged and you have to get a new one. Otherwise, you need to use the disk on another PS4 and check whether it works fine or not. If it does, then the next thing you should do is try check PS4 hard drive health. Firstly, you need remove the PS4's internal hard drive. Now, on your hard drive, just clean off the connection pieces by use a soft, dry cloth to carefully wipe as follows. Once done, reseat the internal storage of the PS4 and see if problem is fixed. If you are still experiencing issues, the HDD could be corrupted or faulty. Usually, you shouldn't worry much if you don't hear any noise coming out from the hard drive. One more time, remove the PS4's internal hard drive. After that, you need to have a computer, the two SATA cables, data and power, or externally, easier option, using a USB external hard drive enclosure. Connect it to a PC in one of the two ways mentioned above. Using Crystal Disk Info software to check the health status of the hard drive. If its condition is not good, I recommend that you better upgrade your PS4 hard drive. In case if you don't get a new hard drive is not possible now or it was only slightly damaged, you can try to full format your PS4 hard drive. A full format will totally eliminate errors on the hard drive and restore its performance. For details on how to remove the PS4's internal hard drive and check its health status, please refer to the video linked in the description. Finally, if you're still getting the database's corrupted error or sometimes it shows up again, then your HDD seems to be on its last leg. It works for now, but I think that it won't be for long. You may need to get a new hard drive, back up your saved data, if you don't already have it saved to the cloud with PS Plus, and install on a fresh drive. That's it guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.